let's look at our next property. Here we have this parallelogram again. We'll call it ABCD. We just talked about the opposite angles being equal. So that means angle A is congruent to angle C, and that angle B would be congruent to angle D. Well, the next thing we're going to learn is that the angles that are next to each other, so angle A and angle D, they add up to equal 180 degrees. And the same is true with angles B and C. They add up to equal 180 degrees. And so you can see that here we had yellow and green made 180. And so it would make sense again that this yellow and this green would also make 180. So angle A plus angle B also equals 180 degrees. And the same is true over here. Angle C and angle D will add up to 180 degrees. And so this becomes our fourth property. Now the angles that are next to each other, we call them consecutive angles. And that just means the angle that comes after each other. So here as I walk around, A to B, they're consecutive. They come right after each other. B to C, and so they share a side, and so whenever they share a side like that, and so you can see I circled B and C, we would consider those to be consecutive angles. And so we say consecutive angles add to 180 degrees. So let's take a look at an example.